Why do 75% of ancient philosophies believe in the immortality of the soul? Let's dive into Pythagoras' game-changing theory. Pythagoras, yes, the triangle guy, wasn't just about math. He introduced the concept of metempsychosis, the belief in the transmigration of the soul. This idea wasn't just a philosophical musing, it was a bridge linking Greek thought with Eastern spiritual traditions. Metempsychosis posits that the soul doesn't perish with the body. Instead, it continues its journey through successive incarnations. Think of it as a spiritual odyssey where each life is a new chapter, bringing the soul closer to liberation and reunion with the ultimate source. This concept has fascinating parallels with other ancient beliefs. In India, we have samsara, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. In Zoroastrianism, there's an emphasis on the spirit's eternal journey toward divine reunion. These traditions share a profound belief in the immortality of the spirit. But why does this matter? Well, such beliefs necessitated a moral and philosophical framework. Pythagoras and those who followed his teachings emphasized responsible living and ritual purification. The goal was to break free from the cycles of material existence and reach a higher state of being. So the next time you ponder life's big questions, remember Pythagoras. He wasn't just solving triangles, he was unveiling the soul's infinite voyage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more intriguing insights into the minds that shaped our world.